Hi everyone. Today you are going to introduce yourselves to the animal kingdom by learning about the different characteristics that all animals share. There are two things that I need you to do for me for this assignment. The first is to watch the Edpuzzle video all about Intro to Animals with the notes. And I included a guided notes document. Those of you who have had me in the past know that I like to give out these documents to help organize your note taking. I do not require that you turn in the notes, but I strongly suggest that you print these out and handwrite your notes, or if you want, you can make a copy of this document and type your notes. If you choose to type them, here's a neat Chromebook hack. If you press Alt and then the left and right bracket button on your Chromebook, it will split your screen for you. And then you can pull out one tab with the notes, the other tab have the Edpuzzle video open, and you can type your notes right into the document as the video plays without having to flip back and forth between tabs. So it would be like you are taking notes in class. After you watch the Edpuzzle video and answer the questions that pop up in Edpuzzle, I would like you to complete the concept map. So for the first concept map that you do for me, I have created it for you. Eventually, at some point, you will be tasked with creating your very own concept maps. But for now, this is what I have made. Um, we have the characteristics of animals, and we have a whole lot of vocabulary terms that were introduced in the Edpuzzle, and your task is to click and drag the vocabulary terms to their correct spot on the concept map. So if I'm thinking of excretion, I'm going to go back to your notes and think of the definition of excretion. And excretion is the removal of waste. So if you look at the arrows, they all have a description on them. It sort of explains the connection. And I see we have here remove waste by excretion. So excretion would go here. If I keep looking through the arrows, I see that animals, they have to move materials internally through circulation. So I find the vocabulary word, click, and drag into the correct spot. So I've done these two for you. And these are the rest of the vocabulary terms, and I am going to give you a heads up. These terms are stacked on top of each other, so if you move one, there'll be another one underneath it. So once all of the vocabulary terms are put into the concept map, you can turn this in. If you have any questions, please send me an email.